Okay, folks, a little bit pissed off, excuse my language, with YouTube. Apparently now, if you don't get 1,000 views on a video, it's not more suitable. You have to get 1,000 views before it's suitable for YouTube. Look at this. I'm going to turn my camera around now. I'm not sure if I can turn my camera around. I don't think I can now because I'm recording. That's crap. But maybe you can see it, I don't know. I hope I caught that on camera. So please click, click, click. View, view, view. Otherwise, my videos are just a waste of time. Thank you. Bye. Love you all. Okay. The photo didn't... The video didn't actually record. Or you could not see what I was recording. So what I did, I took a photograph instead, which is included in the video. So please ask your friends just to view my videos so I can get at least 1,000 views. You don't have to subscribe. Just view my videos, please. That's all I'm asking. YouTube makes it so difficult. Actually, YouTube belongs to Google. And Google's not easy either, is it? Okay. Love you all, folks. Bye.